Awesome. And we are also live on Insta. So today is the 20th. Today is the 20th April 2025. And we are on Insta and we are on our Zoom. And today is Sunday. How does it get any better than this? Today is a fun aging call. We've been having this for I don't know how many years. And I'm so glad that we're still having it. And today the topic is allowance. Hi Param, hi Nippy.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
So nice to see Param without massage.
She's so late here.
Thank you so much. So today the topic is allowance. Actually, how I came to this topic was one person had written that it's too hot. Tell us in the fun aging group how to manage. Tell the universe not to create so much of heat or something like that. So I thought, interesting point of view. Asking the universe, somebody else to change, even if it is universe, rather than looking for what else is possible for you. So I said, what topic can we have? An allowance came. I said, awesome. So allowance. How many of you think you have allowance? How many of you say, I never say anything? I just keep quiet. Is that allowance? Could that be tolerance? Yeah, we learned in this reality to tolerate, adjust. Hi, Manisha. Um, Putting up with rather than being in allowance means allowance is interesting point of view without judgment. When you are doing tolerance, when you are doing putting up with it, when you are, isn't that resistance and reaction? So, what would happen if you are willing to be in for what is? What will happen? What do you think will happen when you are um, willing to be, allow everything to be?
So, number one, there would be ease, and secondly, the possibilities can show up if we are in allowance. If we are not in resistance and reaction, then possible possibilities of some other possibilities showing up as well.
I know so many other possibilities can show up then. There is the possibility of gentleness. You are being with yourself.
Yeah.
Isn't that a capacity of allowance? Without having to take a point of view, without getting angry, without being upset, without there's so much of work goes on in that. Hi, Mamta.
I think we are at more at peace with ourselves.
Yeah, you have a lot of possibilities that can easily get you out of any dump shit. If
After
you,
that, we are at peace. After that shit, we are at peace.
yeah.
ममता पीस पे पहुंच रही है.
Yes, yes. Bilkul. Thank you, Parag.
So in Access, I think in bars class only there is that everything is just an interesting point of view. They start with, hi Rana, lovely to have you here. So I hope it's a contribution. So what was I saying? In Access, we ask you to practice allowance instead of aligning and agreeing or resisting and reacting. Everything is just an interesting point of view. When you accept it, when you tolerate it, it's not allowance. It is alignment and agreement, which is, of course, they say positive polarity. And negative polarity is when you resist and react. But both are not you. Both are not you. And we keep practicing. Gary says he practiced for 6 months or 1 year. And after that, he was free of everything. If you just said everything is just an interesting point of view, which is their point of view, whoever is saying it. When we impose our point of view on them, then there is trouble for us. When you really desire to live an interesting point of view, nothing affects you negatively. Everything is just an interesting point of view. You start to create choice. Otherwise, you don't have any choice. अब ये गर्मी है तो इसको हमने ब्लेम करना ही करना है. अब ये बारिश है तो उसको ब्लेम करना ही करना है. अब वो ठंड आ गई है तो उसको ब्लेम. Have you seen people who blame all weathers? There is another one who joined on the Insta, which is the Shaktiverse. Welcome there. We're talking about allowance today. In allowance, there is no resistance and reaction. There's no alignment and agreement. No positive polarity, no negative polarity. Allowance is always the way you are at peace, like Mamta said. That's the source for the creation of all change. जितना आप अलाउंस में होंगे उतनी जल्दी आपकी चीजें आपके चेंज कर सके. The rapidity of change depends on the allowance, the degree of allowance that you have. You say, I don't like this. Where are you functioning from? No allowance. It takes you back to upset, anger, sticks you in any area of your life. May it be relationship, may it be money, may it be with bodies, with anything. So allowance, I think, is the key to all, to change, to you. And would you be willing to explore that and see that and be curious about what else could show up in your life if you were in allowance of everything? Would you be willing to have that awareness? Any questions, guys? What would your life look like if you were in allowance of everything? Nobody could control you. And you could control the whole world. These ups and downs of money, these government who creates effects in the money markets, the relationships, whatever they are choosing, you will never be the effect of anything. You could have and choose anything. You could be the cause of change on planet Earth. You could be the catalyst of change on planet Earth. तो गर्मी की बात ले लेते हैं. How many of you resent गर्मी? Truth.
हमें अब नहीं पता चलता गर्मी सर्दी बारिश अंधेरी. I mean that doesn't come in my universe not much.
Yeah. Because you always find something great in everything.
I used to say that August का महीना is a terrible month in Punjabi Bhadon, but it's gone now. 2-3 years 2 साल हो गए मुझे याद नहीं है.
How does it get any better than this? And what else is possible? And also, you can, we have so many tools. Of course, एकदम आज सोचा मैं सारा इंटरेस्टिंग पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू एंड टुमारो आई एम एनलाइटेंड ऐसे होता नहीं है. थिंग्स आएंगी, थिंग्स आपको एनगल्फ कर लेंगी, and you might not be able to. Hi, Ko Arora. Oh, you are there also. Okay. On Insta also. Maybe. So what would happen if you were willing to be in what is? अभी देख लो कि कोई ऐसी चीज that comes to you at this moment, and just close your eyes and say infinite. Make it infinite. Abhi, let's try this out. Anything that is troubling you, anything there is that you would like to change, anything, think of something you have been thinking, it's been running in your head in the tape continuously, constantly. Get the energy of that. Become aware कि हाँ यहाँ पे मुझे ये आज 2 दिन से 10 दिन से 1 साल से अभी से तंग कर रहा है. अभी मेरे कमल के बोलते बोलते ये चीज आ गई है, ये मुझे तंग कर रही है. Remain with it and ask it to become infinite. Just ask it to become infinite. You don't have to do anything. There's no doing in this. Be with this energy and sense it. Are you still feeling that intensity, that whatever, that anger, that confusion, whatever is that you were feeling? Are you still feeling, or has it shifted or changed a bit? Truth. Is it that relevant now? Is it that important now? Still. Is it becoming easier for you to come out of that anxiety, that tensity, that stiffness, that stuckness into, could it be that easy? Could it be possible now for you to actually step out of that, whatever that was?
More possibility showed up.
Yeah. Step out of it.
Allowance आया and surrender आया.
Yeah. You can. Anything you make significant, it holds you, it owns you, it will control you. And we do make things significant. Hi, Rupal. We do make things significant. But you recognize, because you're using tools, you recognize immediately, oh my God, now I can change it. Hey, where am I going? No more. If I was in allowance, what would that be? Because you can't make something significant and something infinite simultaneously. Why? Because anything you make significant is your choice, is your way of looking at things. It is not true. You are making that lie true. You're giving so much of importance to that little thing and making it so कहते नहीं, mountain out of molehill. Play with anything during the day. Just check whenever you contract. Hey, expand or make it infinite. Play with it. Last time you had something, वो कल मैंने ये कर दिया और उससे ये गड़बड़ हो गई और ये हो गया. Just make it infinite. Because while you are repeating it in your head, you are giving so much of significance in it will remain, it will be there, it will get locked in your body. The moment you recognize it and say make it infinite, it's out of your body. You have nothing to do with it. You did not see it as significant. You're not making it as true, real. And then it has a it has the ability to go away, and you feel lighter, which was so important. You had made so much of it, and now it's gone. There's so many things, everything that contracts you, that limits you, that you're not willing to see. Would you be willing to destroy and uncare it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, POD, all 100 shots, boys, POVADs, bases, creations, and beyond. We are not even willing to see it. We run that story so often in our head that we are not even willing to see what else is possible. वो इतनी हावी हो जाती है आपके ऊपर, इतनी इंपॉर्टेंट हो जाती है उस वक्त कि आप अपने आप को भी डिमिनिश कर देते हैं. It's just getting aware of it. किसी ने कुछ कह दिया, we bought that as real, we run it in our head, we trouble ourselves throughout, rather than return it to sender with consciousness. It's an interesting point of view. They have that. That's their point of view. Got nothing to do with you. When you become more aware, you become more aware of where people are coming from, what they are saying, what's coming out of their mouth. Is it even real? So, could it be possible that when you are frustrated or upset, it's because your level of awareness has exceeded your level of allowance? So we always say, what would it take for our allowance to catch up with our awareness? Awareness तो हो जाती है, इसको ऐसे करूंगी, अभी इतने सारे टूल्स हैं, मैं ऐसे करूंगी तो ऐसे हो जाएगा, बट अलाउंस है कि नहीं है? How many times it happens that somebody is doing blah, 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 and your awareness is that you don't want to listen to it, and you switch off. फिर वो तुम्हें सुनाई ही नहीं दे रहा होता वो क्या कह रहे होते हैं. You just see their mouths moving.
Can I say something?
Yes, please go for it.
ये अंजला और परम है, ये ज्वाइन नहीं हो पा रहे.
ये उसने करना था ना, क्या नाम है उसका, Angela ने she took the responsibility of adding people. What happened, Angela?
नहीं अब
Okay, I was thrown out of the meeting. एक बार ये कुछ हुआ and अभी आ गई. Thank you.
I just added it.
Yeah, you were the host again. You can make me the host.
Am I
again.
still the host?
That's how you added me, no?
Oh yeah. So what happened? How come I'm making you the host again?
बीच में तो मैं ही host थी, फिर बाहर चली गई.
अच्छा, बाहर के अपने आप ही चले गए इंटरनेट से हैं? Okay.
Yeah.
Now you're there.
Yes, I'm there.
Param
Thank
wants to add.
परम को join करेगी तो add करती हूँ मैं उसको.
हाँ ठीक. Param, please click again. Sorry. Okay, so where were we? So how often it has happened that you are sitting with friends and they say something and and suddenly you realize you weren't even present. Oh, अच्छा क्या क्या कहा था आपने? Usually you are perceiving their space. Usually it goes over your head because you don't relate to it. How many people start telling stories and you switch off? You're not checked out. You are around, but you checked out because you don't want to listen to shit. Everything that brought up, would you be willing to destroy and get it all right, wrong, good, bad, pop, all 100 shots, boys, pavad, basic equations, and beyond. Woohoo! Everything doesn't allow you to have more allowance with you. Everywhere you get lost, you check out. I'm not making it wrong. I'm just making you aware of that thing can happen and it's okay. Would you be willing to have that too? And everything that brought up, would you be willing to destroy and uncreate it? Right, wrong, good, bad, pop, all 100 shots, boys, pavad, basic equations, and beyond. When you're willing to be in allowance, you will see everybody's point of view and see it just, wow, interesting. Oh, you think that. Oh, she thinks that. Wow. How different are we? And we are shooting for awareness. We are not shooting for being liked. We are not shooting for being appreciated. We are not shooting for being good, kind. We are shooting to be aware in 24/7. Everywhere you've aligned and agreed with people and tried to believe in somebody's points of views and them and put them on a pedestal, it doesn't work. जितनी जल्दी किसी को पेडेस्टल बिठाते हो उतनी जल्दी वो नीचे आते हैं एक ही छोटी सी बात पे. You're the one who knows what is best for you always. So please check out if it's light, yes. Ask a question. Hey, is this relevant? Is anything relevant? Everywhere we make everything relevant rather than asking a question. Would you be willing to destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, pop, all 100 shots, boys, povads, basic questions, and beyond. You are an infinite being and can choose anything. मनीषा, आप कुछ पूछ रहे थे?
नहीं, ये उन दोनों को ज्वाइन होना था, यही बताना था.
अच्छा.
थैंक यू, बहुत अच्छा चल रहा है कॉल.
Thank you, thank you. I'm so grateful that even in so late in my life, I got this different reality, different way of looking at things. I can now create and generate my own reality. To be always aware and in allowance. Everything is like, look at nature. Nature is always in allowance. कोई पौधा आगे आ गया, उसको धूप चाहिए तो दूसरा ऊंचा हो जाएगा. उसकी फितरत में नहीं है कि वो ऊंचा होगा, बट वो हो जाएगा because it wants sun. What would it take for us to choose what works for us rather than fighting for and removing limitations that we have ourselves created? When we are doing something to show that we are being, or doing something to get something, or doing to create or fit into this reality, that's not creation. All of that requires judgment. We are best at that. We are masters at judging ourselves, judging people, judging every situation. Why are we good at judging ourselves and judging everything? Because we know we've done and been everything. We know what would work, what is not working, what's awful, what's bad. But when you know all that, but you also know you are an infinite being and you function from being, receiving, perceiving, and knowing, you forget how to judge. Things are as they are. Oh, they are like that. Are you willing to have your reality change? We spend so much of time willing to change everybody else's reality around us. But if you change your reality, you become one, an invitation. Second, they will have a tough time around you to keep holding on to their fixed point of views. Have you recognized that? That people around, when you change, people around have to change because it's very difficult for them. It's a lot of work for them to hold on to their point of view. If you're not doing it, how can they keep doing the same thing for long? Are you willing to be so different that everything works for you? Are you willing to have people like you so much they never want to go home? They want to be with you. हम लोग सारे we are so locked into it कि मुझे कुछ करना है to get to some place. Yes, maybe. Not necessarily what everybody else says. What would you like to do that will create greater in your life? What do you love doing that people will pay you for it? How different can you be to be you and change the world? Where no judgment is required. You have no judgment, you can receive everything. You can be everything. You can have everything. You can create everything. Whole new universe, right? So whenever there is a contraction, there's uncomfortable, you are uncomfortable, ask what possibility am I aware of that I am not generating and creating? There's something that's talking to you. There's something that's telling you, and you are putting a wall and making it wrong. ये क्या है? इसका मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ? क्या मैं इसे बदल सकती हूँ? अगर yes, तो then how? When you have total awareness, you have more possibilities than anybody around you. What possibility am I aware of that I am not generating and creating? What is possible here that I haven't even considered? And immediately you will get to the awareness. So what is possible that you can have and change what you don't like? We cut off our awareness every time you go into no allowance. You have to be willing to receive without having a point of view about it. Receive everything that comes to you, but don't make it your own. Receiving doesn't mean मैं doormat ban gayi. No, that's not. Let it be. What it means, according to me, is let everything be. Don't have any point of view of that. Total presence. Total awareness. हमें लगता है ये इसको भूख लगी हुई है. Simple thing in the house, somebody hasn't had food. My daughter's here, and मेरे को शुरू में लगता था ये ब्रेकफास्ट भी नहीं खाया इसने, अब लंच भी हो गया, 2 बज गए, 2:30 बज गए, उसने अभी तक कुछ खाया नहीं है. और I will go and ask and all, and I thought I was irritated. She was irritated. She's an adult, going to be 50 years old. Can she make her own choices? If they don't tally with mine, doesn't mean they're wrong. There's so much of freedom now that I don't even have to ask when I want to eat, I eat. I don't even have to ask her. I don't have to do anything. Whenever she wants, luckily, thank God, I've always said if you have a help, your 90% problems are solved. So when you hear the screams of other people's bodies on earth or the earth, ask, is there anything I can do about this? Rather than just because you got an awareness, you have to do something about it. That doesn't mean that you have to do something. Usually there isn't anything to do. You are actually trying to contribute to everybody by just shutting up. But when you interfere, you are actually contributing to the pain, not the change. I don't know if I'm making any sense.
Yes, a lot.
You don't have to do anything to make other people happy. It never works. You cannot make other people happy, guys. People want to live in their unhappiness. That now seems so amazing that people would choose that. For what reason? Why would I choose that? Why talk about people? Sometimes we choose that. Why would I choose that? But it's a choice you make. You can make another choice. We don't have to be unhappy and sad. We are happy until we choose sadness. We grew up in a reality where happiness is not considered a done thing. Pain and unhappiness and sadness is this reality's way of living. And you think it must be real, that's why you have to follow that. If you are intensely happy, you are insane. And if you are intensely unhappy, you are real in this reality. If you really, Gary always says, if you really want to contribute to the earth, laugh. Laughter will heal it more than your sadness. We all know, science also now says, science has done studies where if you yell at a plant, it dies. You talk to your plants, they flourish. Everybody on the planet is doing anger, rage, fury, hate, and wonder why the earth is dying. If you really want to help the planet, help the earth, please laugh a little louder or more. A lot. Who am I today and what grand glorious adventure can I have? Who the heck am I? How come I get everything I desire? How come my life is so easy each day, getting easier? All of life comes to me with ease, joy, and glory. Allowance is the source for creation of all change. How much are you in allowance of that? Actually, is it really bad? Summers are really bad. What do you get, guys? Angela is again not there. What happened? People are not getting to come in, or what's wrong? Hi, Shweta. These guys who want to join Insta, I know they don't want to show their faces. How cool is that? They're smart. There are more people on Insta today because they don't want to show their faces. Rupal, can I have a look at your face, darling? Thank you. It's really interesting how people function. Nobody has any question? We got 15 minutes. Should we close it before time? कोई बात नहीं, कोई हाँ नहीं, कोई ना नहीं. What's this? I don't understand. What am I creating?
कबल अलाउंस में आने से पहले आई थिंक खुद को पहले अलाउंस में लेके.
Exactly. You can't be in allowance of anything if you're not in allowance of you. And I'm not talking about patience. I'm not talking about patience. I'm talking about allowance. I'm not talking about tolerance. I'm talking about allowance. If you allow things to be as they are until they show up different, that's not patience. That is
पेशेंस तो आ ही जाता है ना. इफ आई अलाउ द थिंग्स एज दे आर, so there sometimes you need patience, na, till they come.
no, patience means tolerance. कि कर ही जा रहे हैं, चलो मेरे को अच्छा तो नहीं लगता, पर मैं कुछ भी नहीं बोलूंगी, मैं चुप रहूंगी. पर अंदर अंदर क्या वो आपको तकलीफ दे रहा है कि नहीं? आपको नहीं पता लगता कि कब कब दूसरा बंदा सामने वाला टॉलरेट कर रहा है कि अलाउंस है आपकी चीजों के लिए? पता लगता है ना? And that troubles you also when you are doing something and they don't approve it, but they will not say anything. You want them to say something.
There is a different energy at that time.
There is a different energy. That
उनकी
is,
शक्ल देख के पता लगता है कि they are avoiding and
yeah.
ठीक है जाने दे, बोलने दे.
But rather, if you were just, oh my God, they haven't, this is the way they think of it. I never thought of it like that. Let them have, they are also infinite beings. Let them have their way, what they want. And you gives you the choice to do what you desire. Allowance means yes to everything. Yes, Shweta. You want people to see you as you are, not as they want you. They want you to see, how to put it? You want to let people see you as they see you, or you want to people to see you as you are. If you allow them to choose and do whatever, even if it doesn't work for you, that's when you are in allowance. Have no point of view, no judgment. Whoa, interesting. Everything is just interesting point of view. You want people to like you. You want people to care for you. You want people to validate you. That is when we give up our awareness and we align and agree with people. Everything you've done to define yourself by other people's limited points of views, will you please destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, all 100 shots, poise, pavad, basis, questions and beyond.
कवल हम लोग एक practice करते हैं. I mean, I do that. It's a LRAG. Okay. So here I'm going to say that, but is it something connecting to allowance? Looking at the mirror, we say, I love you the way you are. I love you the way you are not. That is L. And R stands for respect. I respect you the way you are. I respect you the way you are not.
अच्छा, ये कहने से of course you get remind yourself, but ये कहने से फर्क पड़ेगा कि एक्शन करने से फर्क पड़ेगा ज्यादा जल्दी?
कहते कहते mirror पे then you come to the action. Before you are not, but when looking at the mirror, so and the
if that exercise is working for you, awesome.
Yeah, and G is standing for gratitude.
Yeah.
I am gratitude.
5 elements for yourself, हम लोग कहते हैं ना? Trust, honor, allowance, vulnerability, and gratitude. Those are the 5 elements that you have for yourself. You will, you will be more functioning from who you truly be.
So my question was, does these will bring you more towards allowance?
You know best. I don't know. Some exercise work for you, some exercise work for the other person. What works for you? Does it work for you when you stand in front of the mirror and say all that? What goes in your head at that time? Is it saying yes, or is it saying ये हो जाएगा ठीक कभी ना कभी, तो मैं तो अभी तो नहीं कर रही अपने आप को, पर हो जाएगा? You have to be aware of what's going, and then POC and weave. I would POC and pod. If that works for you, you go for it. But by saying it, like, affirmations, according to me, don't work for a longer period. Why? Because I am coming from lack. You are saying, what was the first sentence that you said?
I love you the way you are. I'm talking to myself. Huh?
Yeah, I get that. So you say, I love you the way I am. Why do you need to say that? Because you don't love yourself. Where are you coming from? Lack. If you're coming from lack, you will create lack. But if your choice is, every choice you're making from, hey, is this fun for you, body? Is this light for you? And by looking at that thing, it lightens you up and you choose that. That is the action you're taking, and you're confirming to yourself and that you love yourself. You don't have to tell anybody. You don't have to speak about anything. It just genuinely comes from within when you love yourself. Where do you not love yourself? Those places, POC and pod that. I would do that. Wherever I get into judging myself that way, that is not where I'm loving myself. So when I'm judging myself, I say, hey, what's this? What can I do about this? Can I change it? How can I change it? What is it that I need to change for it to be different? I know I'm an infinite being. What is it that I'm not willing to change? What is it that I would change and it will create greater? Actions will show you how much you love yourself. Hello, Sarika. Yeah. You also walked out, girl, on me, Angela? We think there are no other choices. We say there are not infinite possibility. There are. You are an infinite being with infinite possibility. Every time you are stuck and you say there's no choice, ask a question. What makes me stick here? What is it that I am again choosing? Why do I need to tell I'm an infinite being? Why do I need to tell myself I love myself? I just love myself. A rose plant doesn't need to say I'm rose. An apple plant doesn't need to say I'm apple plant. You don't need to say you are a finite being or an infinite being. You are an infinite being. The choices that you're making are taking you away from who you truly be. I don't know. Does it work, Mamta? Did it make any sense?
Yeah, it gave me the awareness of what you said, lack.
It gave you the awareness of?
Lack, मतलब वो चीज नहीं है तभी मैं खुद को बोल रही हूँ.
There's no harm in loving yourself. There's no harm giving yourself a hug. There's no harm doing things for yourself. There is no harm. But saying that I love myself makes me think,
Actually,
why
the
would I?
purpose is to bring, I mean, to get that in the light that I really love myself.
Then do actions. Then take actions. ये चॉइस मैंने करी अपने लिए कि किसी और के लिए, किसी और की खुशी के लिए? सुबह मैं उठी हूँ किसी के लिए, अपने लिए मेरा दिल कर रहा है उठने के लिए, कि आई एम जस्ट टेकिंग लिटिल एग्जांपल, कि मैं किसी और के लिए उठ रही हूँ क्योंकि मुझे ये करना है, क्योंकि मुझे प्रूव करना है कि मैं मदर हूं. आई एम नॉट सेइंग दे आर रॉन्ग, बट गेट अवेयर ऑफ वेयर यू आर डूइंग दैट. What are you doing? Do one thing in a day for yourself. How many of you do even minimum one thing for yourself in a day? How many judgments, lies, viewpoints have we entrenched over the last trillions of years to appear to be, to fit in, to be recognized, to be cared for, to be loved by others, rather than just choosing to be who you truly be? Would you be willing to destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, POD, all 100 shots from basis boys, basis questions and beyonds. Allowance, when you're in allowance, you don't make anything solid, you don't make anything significant, you don't require to judge. हम लोग तो जीते ही रेफरेंस पॉइंट से हैं. जो भी हमारी जिंदगी में आता है उसको हमने एक ढांचे में ढाल दिया होता है, ये ऐसा है, ये ऐसा है, ये ऐसा है, और वो कुछ और ऐसा कर भी रहा होगा, हमें दिखेगा ही नहीं. हमें वही दिखेगा जो हमने प्रोजेक्ट किया हुआ है उसके ऊपर, और वो हमारे सामने वही प्रोजेक्ट करेगा जैसा वो हमने उसको प्रोजेक्ट किया हुआ है. यू लुक एट एवरीबडी एल्स इन द वर्ल्ड, दे विल बी सो काइंड एंड नाइस टू अदर्स, बट इफ यू डिसाइडेड दे आर नॉट काइंड, दे विल नॉट बी काइंड विद यू. But if you didn't have any point of view and if you're playing in this world, you will see different possibilities with every different person. Everywhere we've been living from reference points of other people who actually don't even know what they've done for you to have that point of view. Would you be willing to have the adventure of actually living your life with no clue? Aj, who am I and what grand glorious adventure can I have? All of life comes to me with ease, joy, and glory. Wow, this showed up like that. How amazing is that? And also lived your life from no clue of whether it's going to be right or wrong. You just did it because you loved it. Living from the joy of it. Every moment of it. We make ourselves powerless. How powerful we are is beyond recognition, beyond knowing. Planet has so much of allowance. Earth has so much of allowance. Animals have so much of allowance. आप जितना मर्जी उनको डांट लो, फिर फटकार लो, फिर आ जाएंगे आपके पास. They don't take anything personally. They know इसकी मूड खराब है इसलिए मेरे से ऐसे कर रही है. Otherwise she is an infinite being. They don't hold any grudges. I heard Gary say once, you might consider being the tsunami that wipes out the stupids and the unconscious and the unaware. Or not. Just an idea. Or just be in awareness of them. You don't have to do anything. They're functioning from there. Fine. How awesome is that? I wouldn't want to function from there.
It's 9, Kaval.
Thank you, darling. You're good. I sometimes go overboard. Bye for now then. I hope it was a contribution. जिसने बोला था वो तो आया ही नहीं. Sandy Pan.
Yes, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Big contribution, Kaval.